am a drone. I'm a robot too. I have been created to take beautiful shots of landscape, and mainly to help humans acquire useful, important information. I fly in the air, but I'm not made of it. I'm made out of components that are made of materials, made of raw materials. Minerals that were found, mined and processed. My production needs a large amount of energy and almost 5,500 liters of water. Here, I'm serving humans who deal with non-living nature, geologists, water managers, geodesists, miners. I'm capturing images of watercourses or dams, and I'm taking water samples. I'm monitoring the size and rate of landslide deformations. I keep track of the mined volumes of raw materials and the stock or conditions. But I'm also able to scan surfaces, map subsoil, search for mineral deposits or space beneath the ground, and I assist in research on glaciers. I hand on information to geoinformaticists or geodesists. It is them who mostly control me and who process the acquired data. The mass of data leads to the creation of visualizations and presentations, like digital terrain models, 3D maps of space beneath the ground, or simulations of natural phenomena. Of course, I can't fly forever, but humans know what to do with me when I retire. Instead of being thrown on a landfill, I will be disassembled and the materials reused to create robotic toys. Thanks to recycling, humans use fewer new natural resources and save the environment for future generations.